Wagwan viewers, welcome to regular programming. People, them a go crazy. Right now. But before people, I'm going any further. Like the video, share the video, and comment people, because and we way for 1,000 subscribers. You understand, people? Respect all of the supporters them. The loyal ones them, the one them are there from day one, the one them are there from our studio and the over here, so Marz Entertainment, the streets at all, and me, I push it forward. So people, you see the charts them. So a supporter link me. Not even a supporter vendetta you link me and I say, check the local charts. I say, me not check them the charts because guess what? We don't mingle. We Vybz Kartel the regular. Vybz Kartel is not the average artist. So local charts right now, we surpass that. We don't want to praise local charts. And then when them jump on local charts, you know, so them are bring big comparison people. I know already. Them live on local charts. And that's facts. Billboards, them say them go up on, but it's reggae billboard, local charts. And we leave it right there. So people, see right now. You see right now. So Vybz Kartel, Cute Rider. Hold on, I do that one first. I not do that one first. Hold on. I go over USA market now. 100. Hold on. I get it further. iTunes top 100 albums. I'm gonna tell you the criteria, right? It's right there, so in front of me. So charts are all US. US people, US, America, not Jamaica, not the Caribbean, not America. If you understand. So, read this. Vybz Kartel is at number. Hold on. Yo, Vybz Kartel, we don't go one place. But what on it? Buju Bantam, number 32. Upside down, people. Buju Bantam, I do numbers. Buju Bantam album a sell. And we have to represent because guess what? Jamaica, and the culture, reggae, dancehall, Buju a do it. But Buju don't talk already, man if you do it, he mean that so. The man if you do it, them out there not done nothing. So guess what, Buju out there and I do it as well. You know what I mean? A Vybz Kartel album at number 69 out of 100 people on the iTunes. USA. You understand? USA. 69. It a weird one, but guess what, people? Guess what? It is not local charts. It's dancehall. You understand? Dancehall. The album when them say are trash. The album when them say are garbage. The album what no one will buy, and the people when buy are idiot. They don't know sense. A donation. You really believe that, people? Well, big up J. Eredo and big up Brando Music Review. CM Speaker. Guess what? Them a do the work. If someone forward right now and say, yo, this a chart and I mean nothing, I pay you that upon the charts. Right now, you have Justin Bieber number 100. You understand? With changes. He dropping away. When he drop? February, he drop the album of people. So, this is not a regular chart, you know, people. Justin Bieber, you know, people. Like people don't understand. So, if you have Buju up at number 32, and we have Vybz Kartel number 69. Currently now, these people, you see them updates, so they refresh regularly. So the numbers them can fluctuate up and down. You understand? So current things we are giving up. And I don't want me yesterday, last week, now. If you understand me, I say so. Now I jump over here the charts. So me on the top 100 songs on iTunes, people. Currently now. So guess what? You see the charts here? It has double, reggae roots, reggae, dancehall. It's a mixture of reggae. Not locally. It's on a wide scale. So country like Argentina have artists of the reggae music. Them in the list. Them in this list, people. You understand? If you understand me. So, We see, cute rider. What me telling you from day one, people? I favor this. But me don't talk say, yo, the video did low budget. Me did say so, I still say so. But me did say, yo, that song have the same feel of fever, the effect there. And see it there. You know, say me forward people. Me talk shadows. A fox. So you have cute rider at number 1, as me say. Everything now me I tell you is current. Maybe I come and fight it at number 2. But right now me I do it at number 1, people. Number 1. I get it twisted. And the music me I talk about, the people right them hurt. Them can't believe people, yo. Them a find all type of excuse. I know me can't believe this. Yo, them a mad. So, one thing more I ask still people. How Bob Marley song? From 1977 on these charts. You're telling me people like almost every day Bob Marley music sell like 1,000 copies a day, or but I give an estimate figure, you know, people. But I understand, you know. Them money album songs never left the charts. Let's see, yo, now video I wonder if I'm bot. Them really put us say buy. The man music has sell like crazy, people. Because in due time, the Cute Rider song will come up on the charts. Maybe or maybe not, but yeah, that's facts. But Bob Marley, them no move, people. Them no move. We don't know the people, yo. Him have the formula, but we not gonna be kind of there. I swear. We have Shaggy on the chart, It Wasn't Me, and couple more Bob Marley, Buju Bantam, same time with the new album. One thing I want just before I cut people. You realize this? Wanna realize? Not a lot of art, not even a handful of artists that promote Vybz Kartel album. Why? Why they not promote it? Them bad mind, blood seed, people, them corrupt. I'm going to name a few Popcorn who post it. He post Vybz Kartel album and Buju album all in one. People go support it. That will show you people. Popcorn is a real youth for the culture. I know what I know they want to say, yo, man play hypocrite. But man post the album. While some of them artists are not do it. I'm not going to include Squash, Daddy One, Skilly Bang, Sika Rhyme. Them man up on the albums automatically, them are going to promote it and they are doing it. But yes, Bunty has support. Can't grow, Bunty has support the album. But when you have a Beanie Man or claim someone the king of dancer, you want to post Buju. It show you people, them say them about the culture, them not about the culture, them are two-faced. You understand? As in, you can put the musical difference aside, but when it comes to the culture, you support the other artists them. Why Buju Bantam albums are dominant right now on the charts, people? Because Buju have a big machine behind him. Top people are promoting. He might go on radio shows. People. And I'm going to talk to you. Buju Bantam album, what you call it? Well advertised, well put together. It was a well put together album. Because guess what? Him have a team. Him in the public, him a work. Him a sell shirts, CD. Him a, hey people, him a go the full length. We make sure it's an album out there and get nominated for Grammy. So Vybz Kartel now, Vybz Kartel only have Zojak. That's a distributor. Them a push the album. While they have Sharp Bass Music Record Label, Shorty. You see me? They work for Vybz Kartel Music, same speaker, Vybz Kartel. Incarcerated. So, in now the push for Buju get, but people, good music I go sell, no matter what. No matter they want to try though. And you see that day, you have some people run up their mouths. The trickster, you know me I talk already, yeah, call up Vybz Kartel name to get views. He might promote the people, so give him some respect. He might promote it. Swear he might promote it. Because I choose Vybz Kartel give him a couple subscribers and views. Him say, promote the album here. Him know the results. But he run gone and over a couple while and you see it. In tricky people him run gone. So you have videos and all type of things. You understand? Him not turn on current. When I say current, him not talk nothing what we don't know. We know everything already. If you talk things wanna happen yet, and if you help, I think me not goddess about people. The fight real. Vybz Kartel get from left and right. Yeah, people come and say, oh, yo, such man get more fight. Jesus, people, them desperate. But Vybz Kartel about people, it a go out there. Cute rider do good. Jump on the beat do good. Hey, people, I'm on a song on there do good. Bad girl. Stay with John FX. We can name them more people. All of the song them on the album unique in its own way. Some people are going to say, yo, it's slack on. A dancehall, man, the Vybz Kartel prove up on it, them a show say, him a go to hardcore dancehall and make it on the charts. I'm a do it right now, people. Him a do it. So, some people need to get it and stop twist it. Yeah. So people, share the video, comment people, like, do everything. Share the channel, people. Channel if you go out there. Yeah man, people, I beat them bad. Every single day. Every day when I stop until them get it. You see? Because them fear Vybz Kartel. Them fear Vybz Kartel, people. Just a shame. It just a shame. It just a shame, people. Say the man. Now they are out there for promote him own career, promote him work. But leave it for your fans and people for promoting work, you see it. So that we are doing and that we are doing, and the people them bad man, them jealous. Them can't believe say a camp can so happy. Only thing them do, fix up themselves, chat bag of things, stuck my local charts. You know what I mean? Like, what's that? That's nothing. But people, out.